Hi, I'm Jansen and this is my wife, Charlie.
Hi.
We have two children, 4 years old and 5 years old. We run F&B business. We open steamboat business. We got to know Thermomix half a year ago. That was our first time having it.
We first started to use Thermomix at home, and my advisor Xiao she keeps following up for around 1 year, and finally we bought this.
Before having the first one, I was actually quite reluctant to know what Thermomix is, because she doesn't know how to cook, she doesn't know how to cut even. Then after a few times of discussion, I finally compromised, and I took a chance to know what Thermomix is actually. Then it surprised me, seriously.
It's amazing.
Yeah. After half a year of trying it and cooking, and I realized it was amazing. And I remember the first dish that she cooked for me was salted chicken. So I was impressed. I mean, someone who doesn't know how to cook can make salted chicken. I tried it, the chicken was tender,
the taste is so good because of the good control of the temperature and the time.
Yep.
So it tastes so good.
And apparently my children, they like the machine too.
We make bun together. We make a strawberry popsicle together, and my son is so proud and show everyone in the family, I made this, I made this.
Yeah, and they assume they are the chef. So like it's more like family bonding lah. And my wife actually sent me a lot of ingredients, saying that I would cook this, I would cook that. Eventually he sent me one of this prawn paste recipe, and I was like, wow, it not only can cook, it can actually do something for my restaurant. And that's how we have our second Thermomix. Reason being that is because my chef, he's actually 70 years old. I don't want to burden him a lot. Then I was thinking that maybe a machine that can help him from busy, heavy jobs and everything. He learned how to use this machine in half an hour, just 30 minutes. He knows how to do it, and he felt happy that just one button and I can do another things, and end up it comes up with good result. Yep, good result. He likes it.
And another function recently I like the most is the new cookie dough and cookie. So it's very convenient. I can use it anytime, anywhere. I can click on the website and check what should I cook today, get some inspiration from the menu, from the recipe inside the cookie dough, from many countries. And I like Thermomix also because less hassle in the kitchen. I don't need to clean more, and it's not that dirty like old times. Auto wash function is really convenient. I just simply wash and that's already clean.
I would certainly recommend to all my friends actually, especially my friends who has married and they have children. I always recommend them that if you don't want to burden your wife, or you want to have some healthy food for your children, you should choose Thermomix.